Hey y'all, this is Kiara coming back to you with another video. Where do I start? So I recently bought a wig on Amazon. I just received it today. I placed the order, this is what, Friday? Placed the order on Wednesday night, received it today. Got Prime. So I don't know about this wig, y'all. It's a white curly wig, as you all know, given the description. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a little try on, try it out, tell you what I like about it. And yeah, just stay tuned. We wanna keep on watching. Bye.
I got too many hoes, I can't fuck them all. Don't know how to play, but I ball. Stacking that money up.
All right, y'all, let's go and get this wig popping. Oh, I bought a wig and some heels, some silver heels. So the wig is like silver, it says white in the description. I'll leave the link in the description box. Came in this bag right here. And came with a wig cap, black wig cap. I won't be using this. Also, wig came in this little net. Ooh. What does it say? Nothing. Okay. So it's like a curly wig. Curly wig. Look at the insides, details on the inside. I don't see any combs or anything. But it's the inside of the wig. It does have the adjustable straps on the bottom as well. So we're gonna try this on. The wig I have on my head right now I made, but I'm gonna try this on. Be right back. All right, I'm back. So this is again the wig. Ignore everything's going on. I just got off work, so I was kind of excited. I'm a little nervous about this little joint too, cause girl, I don't know, but we're gonna try to see what's up, see what's popping. Hell no. Oh my God, this wig is crazy. Let me change the straps. I don't know, y'all. This wig, Jesus. Let's try this thing again. That's a little too loose. But that's just for the video purposes. Let's go ahead and just put this thing on. It is big head friendly, because I do have a big ass head. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna have to tease this thing out. I thought I was doing something, but nah. I'm gonna have to play with this a little bit. A lot of it. Very much. Very much. Where's my, I need my scissors. Oh my gosh. This is a lot. Bitch. This is a lot. So, there's no room for parting or anything at all. So you pretty much gotta wear it, you know, to your face, towards your face. Wow. I'm gonna have to trim this thing down. Oh. I don't think I like this. Hold on. I'm gonna definitely put some scissors to this thing, cause I like big hair, but I don't know, it's doing a lot in my face. I don't think I like that. But I'm gonna try to trim it up just a little bit. and see what we come up with. I'm glad it was a cheap wig, cause baby, this was a mess. First thoughts, I don't know. Not really feeling it, but let's try to see what we can do. I'm just gonna speed this part up. Y'all, I'm not feeling this shit. Like, I ain't feeling this shit. Like, as you see, I cut it a lot, so, you know, trying to frame my face, tame some of the curls, but maybe I might go back and trim up a little bit more, but this is pretty much, I don't know how I feel about it. I don't think I like it. Anyway, also, I purchased some boots. I've been wanting some silver shoes for a while from Amazon. These came in the mail today too. I have a couple, I have another try on haul I'm gonna do from Shein. It's gonna be a curvy girl try on haul. I got a few pieces I'm gonna put this with. But these are the shoes. They're size 9, they look kind of big. I tried them on earlier, they look kind of cute though. But I'm gonna, you know, post pics and everything of me wearing the shoes, and also I'm gonna do a try on haul, like I said. So, but this is the wig. Like I said, it was a curly white wig. This is more like a light gray. You see, I tried to tame as much as I could. I don't know, maybe, you know, I don't know how I feel about it. Y'all let me know. It's a lot This is, that's a lot. Like, I like big hair, but I don't know. I don't know if it's a color. I think it's the color. I don't know. But y'all let me know what y'all think. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. And I'll see y'all next video.